Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I got my setup on the table, show you what the truck looks like while I'm traveling and stuff like that. So this is the inside of the truck, pretty crowded. My table with my maps and stuff on it, my drink area, my seat, GPS. There's the stuff I'm using right now.
Lead you to thinking
Laptop.
that you want what we had before.
Second laptop and phone. Couple extension cords to give me power. And the back of my truck, which I am now cleaning out right now. So I'll show you later. So that's about what I'm at. It's Wednesday morning around 11 o'clock here. I'm in Dawson Creek at the campsite, which is starting to vacate because people are heading up north now that they got good weather. All these campsites were full last night. Now they're all gone. So anyway, I'll post this and having a good day. Hope you are too. Bye.